Hi and welcome all. We are going to continue with the next set of features in BigBlueButton in this video.
Okay, so that is the shared notes. So shared notes is something where if there are multiple users in your session and all of them are noting down some session notes, so this is a very helpful feature where a collaborative notes can be created. So let's say if as a presenter, if I type that hi, I am present, or let's say hi, these are presenter notes. So if I go as a learner on the session side, so I can see the same notes and I can add the notes as a learner also. Hi, these are learner notes. Okay, and the same thing will be appearing for the presenter. So if during a session, if multiple users are taking down the notes and they want to just take away all the notes towards the end of the session, so every user will have an option to export them. Okay, so this can be exported in the form of PDF as well. They can be exported in the form of, so there are different options: Word, plain text, HTML. I'll just show you with PDF. So it can be downloaded like this, so you have the session notes in no time. Okay, so that's a very good and useful feature. Again, you have the options to format these text while taking the notes, so it's very easy to use functionality. Now as a presenter, I also have the option, if I show you, that I can uh, mute all the users. Okay, and I can mute all the users except presenter. So in one go, if let's say there are many users which has joined the session and there is a necessity that all the users should be in mute and they should be listening only, they should be in the mode of listening only, so this can be controlled by the moderators over here. Okay, so if you want to take the attendance down of the, you can just save the username and it will download a text file which will have the information about who all were the part of this session. So then if you see here as a presenter, we also have the option to create breakout rooms. Okay, this is another feature which is very useful in case, let's say, while conducting an online classroom, if you want, as a presenter or as a faculty, if you want to group some of the users just for some to conduct a group discussion within the if you want to, let's say, divide them into teams and ask them to have a discussion within themselves and come back with their discussion output. So this create breakout rooms will be very helpful in that case. I'll just quickly take you through this. So I can create two number of rooms, or I can create more as well. Okay, so up to 8 it is possible. I can set the minute duration here. So probably I'll set a minute duration of 1 minute, and you can also give an option to actually choose the breakout room to join. Okay, but in my case right now, I'm just uh, going to manually add it. Okay, so say for example, if I have added VB learner in room 1. Okay, so what happens in this case is once this breakout room has been created, the learner will get the option. So this was the learner screen, and learner is now getting the option to join the room. Okay,
You are currently the only person in this conference.
so what happens next is the a new meeting
Only
starts.
person in this conference.
If you see that a new meeting has started, and only learner is there as part of it. It's basically a one of the breakout room, and you can see the time remaining for the breakout room here. Okay, so if let's say you imagine more number of users would have been part of it, so they can have a discussion under this breakout room, come back to the main room. So in next 10 seconds you will see that this breakout room will close automatically and the learner will come back to the main room once again. So as you saw that the breakout room has ended and the learner has come back to the main room again, and this is one of the good features of Big Blue Button, where it offers you to conduct group-wise discussions while you are having an online meeting.
We'll look at the other features of BigBlueButton in our next video. We'll see you there.